This adorable lap cat here is Mia. Mia is a 2-year-old brown tabby. She's a domestic shorthair, and boy, she is just a nice, sweet, affectionate cat. She loves attention. She loves to be right up here by you. She's happy to crawl right up by me and say hello. You can see. She is a cat that is all about just being friends with you. She has declawed with all 4 of her paws, and she's up to date on all her vaccinations. She has been spayed. Her owners gave her up because they had a new baby, and they weren't comfortable with having her around the baby, given how affectionate and amorous she is. They do also suggest here that she be the only cat in the household. She apparently loves her human companions, but isn't so great with the other feline companions. So if you're interested, if she seems like the right one for you, come on down and meet Mia. She's a character. She's got a lot of personality. She's a fun and sweet cat. So if you're interested, come and meet her. We would love to find her a perfect forever home.